Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my simple and easy avocado toast. Before I get started, I wanted to share this tip with you, and this is how to store your avocados when they get ripe. So what I usually do is I buy a bunch of avocado and I just keep them because you don't want to go to the store every minute, but then all of them would get ripe at the same time. So what you do is you just take your ripe avocados and you put them in the refrigerator. You don't want to put a green one in there, that's not the same. You have to make sure they are ripe first, and then you put it in there, and when you're ready to use it, all you have to do is cut it open and use it, and it will be just as good. I had these sitting in the refrigerator for over a week now. When I bought them, I wanted to film the video and they weren't ready, so when they were ready, I wasn't ready, so I just put them in the refrigerator, and this is what they look like now. Look at this, it's just perfect inside. It's ripe and so pretty. I also want to share this other tip with you on how I store my cheese. So usually when I buy cheese, it's a big block of cheese and I feel like I never have enough time to use it up. So I would shred up some of it and put it in the freezer. And I like this because I never have to worry about it going bad, and when I'm ready to use it, I can just take it out and use it straight from frozen. Especially if I'm making eggs or something like that, I love it for that. Okay, now that I shared my tips with you, let's get on with the video. So I'm going to beat up 2 eggs. I'm just adding a little bit of salt to that. To my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add some butter. Well, this is not butter, this is my spread. This is not real butter, but use whatever you put on your toast, whatever you have on hand. I'm just going to cook this how I usually cook my eggs, but this time I'm adding some cheese, and that's where my frozen cheese comes in. How do you like my new pan? I've had it sitting in a box for over 3 years, and I finally decided to take them out. I mean, I wanted to use them for a long time, but I just don't have space to put them. But I got rid of some pots, so now I have space for these. Right before the egg is almost finished, that's when I like to go in there and add the cheese, and then just give that a stir until it's nice and melted. Now when it comes to the bread, you can use any bread you like, but they just came out with this new Hawaiian one, and oh my goodness, I'm just loving it. I used to buy this one before, but now I prefer the new one. I'm just going to cut my avocado in half and scoop it out and put it on a plate and mash it. Sometimes I just smash the avocado right on the bread, or sometimes I just put it on a plate. It all depends on how I feel. So I went ahead and toasted up one slice of the Hawaiian bread and one slice of the regular bread, and I'm just going to top it with my avocado. Now I'm not putting any salt on the avocado. I feel like it don't need it. Like I said, you can use any bread you like, it's up to you. I really love it with those healthy breads. Those are my favorite. But you know, not all the time I like to eat healthy bread. Sometimes I like to mix it up and eat something different. The very last thing I'm going to do is top it with the egg. And like I said, this is very simple. Nothing more to it. That's all I do. And it tastes so good. And I know there are so many variations of this out there. People make it with a whole bunch of things. But I just like to keep it simple and make it like this. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to make your avocado toast. If you haven't tried it, you have to. And when you do, please come back and let me know what you think. These were both so good, but gosh, that Hawaiian bread, it just takes it to another level. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you give it a try. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.